So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishwan. Let's discuss NCERT questions 9 to 9. This is chapter 14 KTG. So we have questions related to the kinetic theory of gases, then intrinsic forces, then we have some attractive forces for large distances, then atomic theory, then it was proposed by the law of definite proportion, multiple proportion, then Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law, Gay-Lussac's law based on what? Dalton's atomic theory, molecules, atoms, atomic and molecular sizes. Liquids, atoms are fixed. Gases, distance between atoms are about average distance. In gases, mean free path, interatomic forces, and atoms attract when they are at what separation, when they repel. Then how is equilibrium of a gas? Then in dynamic equilibrium, conditions for dynamic equilibrium, components of nucleus, protons and neutrons, constituents, sparks, atomic size estimations. Democritus is known to be an atomic hypothesis according to Democritus. Then fire caused painful burns. Then we have some concepts related to ideas of Democritus. Then properties of gases are easier to understand. Then Avogadro's number representation, ideal gas equation, John Dalton theories, equal volume of all gases. Then small constituents were suggested by value of gas constant. Then there is deviation from ideal behavior. Some questions based on the graph of PV by T, which is called the compressibility factor. Then concept of real gases. Then Boltzmann constant in SI units. Then some graph-based questions. Then graph-based questions for that. Charles law, graphical representation. Then in different scales the graphs, Charles law representation in different scales, Kelvin and centigrade scales. Then density of water, then radius of water molecules, then we have interatomic distances between water molecules, then basis of kinetic theory of gases, then at ordinary temperature and pressure average distance between gas molecules is. Gas molecules moves almost, collisions, sample of gas molecules. Then we have questions based on the pressure. When we have pressure at one point in a gas, in equilibrium is, then thermal velocity distribution, then Maxwell's speed distribution, then we have concept of electromagnetic waves, then it's a statistical interpretation of second law of thermodynamics, then we have relation between pressure, volume and kinetic translation kinetic energy of gas molecules, then we have average kinetic energy of gas molecules. Then we have questions based on average kinetic energy, RMS speed. Then we have speed distribution for that. Then we have ratio of average speeds. Then diffusion of gas molecules, then collision between gas molecules with walls, change in momentum, initial final velocity, per degree energy per molecule per degree of freedom, moderate temperature, high temperature, average energy, small specific heat, Cp, Cv ratio. For different types of gases we have then polyatomic gases. Then experimental value of molar specific capacities of gases are. Then we have difference between experimental and theoretical values of molar specific capacity. Then heat required to raise temperature, then molar specific heat capacity of solids. Then exception to specific heat capacity of solids. Then for each atom of water, concerned energy is. Then for each molecule of water, concerned energy is. Next is molar specific heat capacity of water is. then about the specific heat of substances, then according to classical physics, degrees of freedom, then behavior of specific heats at low temperature can be explained by, then quantum physics, then we have vibration degrees of freedom, then molecules have speeds of the order of, then why top of cloud of a smoke holds together for hours. Next is mean free path of a gas molecules, then mean free path is as large as, then estimated values of the mean free path, then we have ideal gas equation, gas constant, Boltzmann constant, real gases, ideal gases, temperature is a measure of mixture of different gases, then vibration frequencies, then we have theoretical and experimental agreements between specific heat of gases, then we have pressure, then we have interatomic distances, then mean free path, then vibrational mode, the molecules of a gas do not fall and settle down. Then we have some questions based on square of speeds of the gas molecules. So this was the entire chapter in the form of questions. So it will help you in optimizing your NCRT and is a boon for NEET and JEE Main Physics. So if you read through these videos, then it will save your precious time and energy, and also you will not feel like study burnouts or lack of interest or distractions, because it's involving questions from each and every line, so you can focus better, remember better, learn better. I hope these videos will prove to be a boon to you. Thank you and have a nice day.